my name is Zulu and my stage name is Zulu D, the one and only Mr. 4 Hours. Well, some of them, they don't know me, but most of them know me. I'm well known for DJing. I've done a 4-hour set back in the days when home used to be the thing, but it's coming back surely. Yeah, my profession, I'm a qualified IT, or let me say data analyst. I used to work as an IT specialist, and then I followed my passion, of which is the one that I'm doing. I'm a promoter. I've always wished to be a promoter, host thousands of people in one arena or one place. Besides being a promoter, I co-own some clubs. Yeah, Mega Lounge is one of them in Polar Park. So yeah, basically that's how I make my living, through DJing and other businesses. To be precise, you mean in life? Okay, phobia nengadi. Once I see blood or someone logulayo, so being a nurse or doctor, ngeke nje sokuphansi in those places or that faculty. Writing IT, I'm with the keyboard and mouse. Akuba Asambe, for the first time, I'm about shocked. That's why am I getting a correct and invite Asambe on a Tuesday, Wednesday. Because in they want an interview now. They call me on a Thursday. Can we have you on Friday? But then today I'm here. And I'm here. Like this, and my host, I'm still too delegated for something like that, of which nearly time right about now. Asambe. Hello, Eswatini Njani? Now I'm a TV. Okay, guys, today I'm gonna be a host for the first time. I'm going to be a TV presenter. Asambe. Let's go. It's a studio, man. Well, the challenge is not bad. Since I'm in the industry, I know saying when I'm interviews like my name, but Who knows? Because it's my first time in Gondaland Volley. But yeah, my challenge is now. If I want to challenge it, then what's the reason of living? Yeah, because of a boss, I have to interview every employee I employ. Yeah, I've been in an interview panel. Lapho khona I decide ukuthi okay, this one no right, this one no right. Ngiyabona. But TV ngiyaqala for the first time. Bahlala interview me. So I'm gonna use that against my client that's coming. Ngithembisa his followers. I always saying ngithembisa because mostly nongeni yakuthi la kunamkhona kuba mnandi. So this will be one of the episodes lapho khona sithola ama viewers la etule yabo because kunami taba mnandi, confident about it. Taba right. Hey.
Hey.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm
I think
fine,
that's
I'm fine.
kusalela abangifundisa yona bathi uthi.
What's it?
Bese
I'm
uthi.
about the hip hop cool, bro.
But anyways, I'm good. How are you, Zulu?
I'm okay.
I'm good. So, welcome to the show, Beatdown. Umphathi wami bekangitshelile ukuthi uDabe ukhona namhla ehlelweni for the shoot, you know. So you'll be my guest presenter or co-host, however you like to call it. Yeah, so 2328 Lounge, ngilangishutela khona Beatdown. I hope you have a great time today on the show. Let's go. Ngiyokutshengisa ukuthi what do I get up to every time nangithi ngiyoshuta Beatdown. Sure. Okay, have a seat on my pink couch. So, Zulu D, I didn't introduce myself properly to you. My name is Nopila Masane, aka the Trailblazer. Yes, you know. So, welcome to the show, Beatdown. Idlala on Eswatini TV every Saturday at 8 p.m. Right? I didn't know why and how my producer picked me, but then I'm really grateful for that. You know, so I'm a presenter on the show, and there's a lot that's expected. Guguti, or abide, you know, by as a presenter. Expected to show up, expected to have made up your face, look pretty, you know, every time with those shooter, every Wednesday, which is what I do, you know, on a weekly basis. So this is a fresh show because every week send out fresh stories, fresh things. We'll make sure that we're up to date, right? So Beatdown, it's a music show. TV, as I've said, my top 10 music videos, you know, so it has to be the top 10 trending songs or top 10 trending music videos, right? So ingaba khona ingoma, but if it doesn't have a music video, it won't show on the show because, you know, video. So it's top 10 trending music videos, and we do have entertainment stories. We also have interviews from time to time, name artists, local, international artists. We also cover live events. Koti Festival, which is what we're doing today. We're showing our viewers today. Koti Festival or Bushfire, Yuluju Festival, you name it. And Umuti Festival, you know, we show our viewers all of that. So Beatdown is all about that, right? So I think we can start getting ready to do the show, but sibane rundown again. A rundown.
Oh, Lord, here it goes down.
A rundown, Beatdown. Yeah, prepared by the producer and director of the show. So you've also you've also been mentioned or listed as part of the show today. So we do our opening link. And the opening link, my entertainment stories, and you know, interview. But today we're not doing an interview because it's just me and you, right?
Are you interviewing?
No, you're not interviewing me, but I want to see if you do have a bit of interviewing skills.
Okay.
Yes. So, are you ready to start the show?
I mean, I'm always ready.
Ever ready, yeah.
Ready.
DJ anyway. So Zulu D, let's get the show started.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Zulu D. I'm Asambe, but no, I'm Zulu D. Zulu D, Mr. 4 Hours. Another episode of Beatdown, Asambe again. I'm with my co-host, Pila, aka the Trailblazer.
Yeah.
Are you good, my friend?
I'm I'm good, Zulu. It's too hot. Like, it's hot.
It's hot.
Now, but to find my shades, you know, but you really tried to, you know, camouflage.
Just a young Bahamas.
A young Bahamas, right? You know, so good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Beatdown, your number one music and entertainment show on Eswatini TV. My name is Dr. Masana, aka the Trailblazer. So, introducing a host. He's your main host today, and I'm kind of his co-host. You know, Zulu D is with us today in the show to run a Beatdown. We bring you nothing but the best of top 10 music videos, entertainment stories, which is what we have for you today on the show. And of course, a big shout out to 2328 Lounge. Is Kona Zulu D. Yes, Bas hosting every week. We're really appreciative of that.
2328. It's okay, I'm going home.
Home, yeah. It's your other home because you've got your own mega lounge, and then there's your second home.
My friend's home.
Yes,
it's also my home.
Really successful event organizer, but we'll talk about that as we go along on the show. Our first song, right?
Okay.
Amos has been doing very well. You know,
very well.
Amo has been doing very well.
I've seen him at the Multi Festival.
Hey, I know Amos is fire.
Powerful, and he's so friendly, you know.
Really nice guy. But he looks young in person. Yeah, he does.
What do you
That's
mean
what
now?
I felt. Like, you know, when you see him, let me explain. You know, when you see him in the music videos, like, he looks like a bit older, like 28 and something, you know, but when you see him live, he looks like his real age. He's like 23, 24, you know, that's what I'm
sure he's under 25.
Yeah, he's under 25.
Most of these artists are they're below 20.
Yeah, most of them.
Because are fast with the lyrics, and then when they are translating for us, this is cool.
Spa umusa. But even man, yabo kusebenzela sifake after lelinkile. Uyabona? Yebo. Asifake le.
Okay.
Yeah, sifake le.
So this song, when sort of fagale.
Just of Gachen hit after hit,
Introduce me.
Yeah, it introduce song when I start the link.
Because we at next week.
Okay, stokhuluma kancane ngale beef. Bese singena ku birthday yakhe. Bese introduce Gachen. No, but ungakhuluma like ube generic, yeah. Ngebeef nje ma-artists, ngaba ma-hip-hop artists or any artist laba banayo. Yabo ukuthi because most of people labanye believe ukuthi this is just a PR stunt. Labanye believe ukuthi beef mbamba. These people are going butting heads or going head to head vele, you know, for whatever reason. But yeah, but they started out as what they called a big three. So Kendrick, J. Cole, and Drake, right? And then whatever that made them butt heads, you know, made, you know, Kendrick end up saying, you know, I'm the big one. Okay. After him saying that, he dropped, you know, Lengomalo like that, What Dropper Like That, featuring Metro Booming, Na Future, right? And then J. Cole responded in a 7-minute drill. You know, unfortunately, his response was his diss track was too weak. He decided to drop out of the whole, you know, situation and apologized to Kendrick. And then Drake came out, stepped up, and what these are push-ups.
Okay.
Yeah. Push-ups.
So let's go.
No, ngesigmention. I was just giving you a backstory. Yeah. Ngesigmention konke ukuthi like nabo euphoria what. Yes,
okay.
Yeah. Oh, Fortune. Oh. Representing yashisa. Uyaflow. Buka beka flow nje kahle. Ngikuthi yena akafuni ukuthemba. He was flowing perfectly.
Yeah,
look, my camera run a bit.
A bit.
How fortunate.
This thing is like going for a chick you wanted for years.
How?
Out it out.
Yeah?
Bruh.
Only to find.
I'm ready, let's talk.
Okay.
You have me.
Okay.
Zulu D, but today I'm the co-host of this episode, Beatdown. Yeah, it happened last week. Saya Makoti Festival. Yo, if you were not there, you missed out, bruh. I'm telling you, the production was on point, the artist was on point. Regardless of the weather and stuff, people came through. Shout out to Emaswati, shout out to Eswatini. Please keep supporting our very own promoters who are trying so hard to make us happy by all means. So it happened that we met. Sahlangana no Polocha, sahlangana na Tenderness, sahlangana no Mcebo, sahlangana na Mo. Sababuda, how do they actually feel about being at that stage in the production? So like you can actually see Makoti from the back of the event, Makoti Fest. That was epic, guys. Shout out to Ilapen Boy, New Life team. Yeah. Ay. Pelagusito. Okay. Okay. Top. Okay. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, if you miss this one, forget you're gonna find another one like this in the kingdom. But surely they're gonna do it again next year. Lalel, as we say on this show, Asambe again your Tibonel.
Solo.
Thanks to you, Perabi.
You need the water.
You need the
water.
Was just confused.
No, but I also find the camera.
Yeah. But Somalia did that. I think it's one of Lama syndrome.
Okay, emva kwe-Met Gala sesiyavala ihlelo. Shot i-Met Gala bese siyavala. Yeah.
Met Gala kapayini.
Met Gala phela kuleya bothayila la bekuye bothayila khona bagcokile. Nabo Doja Cat. Aha. Yeah.
Bathroom outfit.
Yep. Okay.
16. Mina memena.
Ngokeja ngiya introduce akuqala. Oh, okay. This is fine. Oh, okay. We good, right? Can we do Met Gala noma briefing nyana? Asishaya sibulala. Okay, i-Met Gala, right? It is called the ultimate Hollywood gathering or party, because about the after party, right? So a party or gathering, an exquisite or exclusive party, ma Hollywood A-listers, right? So they come together, Met Gala, bagqoke, but kuba ne-theme, right? Every year kuba ne-theme. Ukuthi kufuna bagqoke njani lapha nje bagqoke labanye timbali labanye bagqoke like witches of the olden times. It was just a combination of different looks, right? So they came together with Met Gala this week, which happened this week, but we had to take a look at some of the notable faces at the Met Gala. Tyler was one of them, right? And to the shock of so many jealous people, Tyler was part of it, and considering the fact that we are Met Gala by invitation, so you don't buy a ticket, I'm getting mahala, but you are invited, send an invitation, to come to the Met Gala.
Festival with a good budget.
Okay, I won't say anything about it. Okay, so yeah, Met Gala, yeah. But notable looks, Tyler was there. Doja Cat, right? Hey, Doja, she's notorious. But then she was part of the Met Gala too, dressed up. But then yeah, I think we're good. Can we do the link now? Okay. Buya wena, sangiziniwe. Sekubuya wena singena ku-Met Gala. Sekubuya Zulu.
Ngena mina.
Yebo phela kubuya wena. Yebo phela. Sesibuya nyalo sibuya break-in nyalo. Sibuya nje ihambe ya break-in sesiyabuya. Sesingena ku-Met Gala. Wena introduce i-Met Gala.
Yet again, still on part of the epic episodes of Beatdown. I'm still with my co-host, Nokupila, aka the Trailer Blazer.
Yeah.
Bengangixoxisa la ngaphandle.
Mr. 4 Hours.
Bongixoxisa la ngaphandle, bro. Like, uthe yabona this thing yabo.
Yeah, but I had to.
Yeah, okay. Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, sizokhuluma ngaMet Gala. Ngoba nguye lo ibitile lenzaba la ngaphandle. I don't know ukuthi isukela ngani nje.
But you also have an interest on Doja Cat, Tyler. Now an interest again.
That people surprised.
I was shocked you knew what Doja Cat wore at the Met Gala.
Bro, every man knows.
Everyone knows. But then for Zulu D, you were really amazing.
Serious?
You're really amazing. I like how
Will you do this thing again with me?
I would. I liked how opinionated you were.
Okay.
You know, the fact that you were not shy to share your opinion, your view, or your ideas, you know, about some of the things that we spoke about. But then, it's time for us to end the show. How did you feel? How was the show? How was the experience?
For somebody who's doing it for the first time, I feel like, hey, Zamile, bro.
You did it. You didn't even try. You did it.
I wasn't ready for such. At least everything prepared. Given a script, it's okay. Nothing.
So our viewers, thank you so much for tuning in today, for watching the show. Zulu D has had an experience. Beatdown today. Otherwise, me personally had a great time with him. He was a great co-host. But it is time for me to rate him, you know. It's time for me as the teacher to give him a score out of 10. You know, how did he do or perform today? What do you think your score will be?
I want 8 over 10. 8 over 10.
Okay. Because this was your first time, like, you did really well. You know, you did really well.
I tried.
You showed up. Your voice projection was good. You had an idea or backstory of most of the stories that we did on the show today. You're also an entertainment person, so you have an idea or feel of the space, the entertainment, you know, in the country and even outside. That also gave you a plus, you know, as we did the show today. So I think for a first time, I will encourage you. And also hope that you come back on the show. I'll give you a 9 out of 10.
That's a distinction, guys. I did well.
So yeah. Not because you're Zulu, but you know, it's just me encouraging you that you come back on the show. You did really well for a DJ, because DJs abakhulumi kakhulu, you know. But today, uzamile ukuthi ukhulume and project your voice. You're really good, and you're a good co-host.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being with me today on the Beatdown. It's been good. Mr. 4 Hours.
I've been more than happy to.
AKA Mr. Mega
hosted by you or co-host with you.
Yes, again.
Tell my gigs, guys. I can host.
You need a show, right? Thank you so much, guys.
Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, Ekaya, siyabonga for always supporting us as entrepreneurs. We're trying. I know we're a small number in Swaziland, but we always try our best to supporting my events too. I'm Zulu D. Labangati ngakhula nabo esikoleni bebangibita ekhaya bebathi ngifike ngithi ngisamukelo wakaZulu. Ngwala Swatini, born and raised khona lambabane. I like to urge each and every one of my upcoming artists nema promoter ukuthi guys, ngihlala ethembeni, one day toba right. Yes, I know maningi ama flops leswendako, but yeah, emaswatatawe happy naseswashiya thina sila eSwatini TV nakhona siyabonga for such a platform. I feel great. Ngiyaqala kuba present. Actually ngiyaqala nje kuva ngathi I've coordinated an event yaze yaphela. Ngijwayele ukuthi 1-2 mic test, then I drop. But it was quite an experience and I loved it. Nozama nami ukuthi ngilalele ngirespect every obligation emvuna bam-asayinile em-17 ukuthi no, this thing ilukhuni. It's very difficult, guys. Yashisa le camera alone nje, it's bringing heat. My lights noma ngabe bavulile noma bavuke yafana, but yeah, it's a great platform. Asambe ke Beatdown team, you're really doing good for Eswatini. Sicela nichubeke.